हांव आज ह्या प्रोग्रामाक येवन खरें बरेंसलें. एक म्हणल्यार when we were kids we never got these opportunities what are you all are getting. The exposure what you all are getting I think we couldn't see during our days. But without getting the exposure I think we could still go through the phase of life which was there pertinent from those days to today. आयचे challenges कितें काय म्हणल्यार it's not only a technology based world where we need to get in tune with technology and start looking at the world in a different way. But today it's the part where our basics also need to be strong. जशी टेक्नॉलॉजी वाडीत गेल्या जशें लायफ फास्ट वचत लागला तशें म्हाका दिसता the time between parents and children, grandparents and grandchildren have reduced. And that is why on all forums I always say the initiative to create any social, economic agendas are basically the need of the hour today just to have this particular bridging of this gap. आज भुरगो वाडटा आसतना टीचर ताजेवर आसता टीचर ज्या प्रमाणे शिकता इज लायक व्हाट द व्हिडिओ वाज द व्हिडिओ गेव हाफ द मेसेज नी फुल मेसेज दिली पण टीचर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल एज गुड एज द पेरेंट्स बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज कॉल टीचर आवर सेकंड पेरेंट कि दे एक्चुअली मोल्ड आवर लाइफ दे मोल्ड अस दे शेप आवर लाइफ एंड गिव अस द way to go ahead. And the age from 1 to 14, 15, where you cross your 8, 9, 10 standard, is a start to your life. But the real challenge begins from the teenage, that is 13 onwards. So, जशे तू 9वी 10वीक पावपाक लागता, तेन्ना that is the very important stage of everybody's life for the parent, for the child, for everybody, because it is a exposure to life is much more than before. If I was going through Mahabharata and Ramayana and the Tinkle and the Akbar and the Birbals and the Panchatantras, today people go through Google, Facebook, Instagram. The success of every state belongs in the children of today, and how the children get inculcated with good habits depends on the institutions like Chubby Chicks and everybody who are around to see that the children become good in life. All the headmasters, teachers, principals of these institutions and schools tanka pele congratulate karta that the way Aparna started and the children were talking I could see that they are in tune with what the world requires. A confidence of standing on stage and talking is a primary thing today because stage fright ja manchak asta he will have a fright to face anything in the world. manchak पुढे पळयता असताना त्यांना भय वता ती भय वता असताना मदानपणा येवपाची गरज नसता. You don't have to get arrogance in you, but at the same time you need to ensure that you are able to communicate well with your peers, you are able to communicate well with your friends, talk to each other about your problems, find a solution to it. And if this type of communication skills are developed within you all, socially I think you guys will actually make all of us proud.
Thank you, sir.
Hardly 3 or 4 schools or colleges have written back to us. Rest, nobody has informed whether everything is going all well or is there any kind of activity. Some school dropouts or college dropouts, they normally linger or try to frequent at such places. Even you bring it to our notice because if they are not in any sincere activity, they may be susceptible to this kind of activities. So this requires to bring it to our notice. This is what we expect from the parent and the teacher. Now, the pamphlet which we have issued now, even the first page if you see, it is a human skull. All children know what is a human body, parts of the human body. But if you carefully see, over the human skull, there is a cobra opening his mouth. This is the artwork done by the Fine Art College. This year we have taken the initiative and they have given us the good artwork. So you know cobra, what is spilled? Venom. The instant death, the poison, the moment cobra bites, if no remedial measures taken, you get an instant death. So this is what we are trying to project with this, and deliberately we have circulated to all the children so that you know, looking at that skull, it is so dangerous that you must realize. And pamphlets we have already distributed among the teachers and parents, on which it is mentioned that what parents are supposed to do, what students should supposed to do. Now see, there is a peer pressure. Now how you will come to know the peer pressure? If the child is irregular and there is a change or mood swing, then you must doubt there is something going wrong somewhere. So please go through our pamphlets. See, here we have mentioned care for your children, spend time with them, get involved in your children's lives, help your children to choose friends wisely, keep interest in child's activities, his friends, make clear rules, talk to children about drugs. You have to guide them. Sometimes why you are ignoring certain issues which are all the time knocking at their brain to know they have anxiety because age is such. So you try to guide them. They must have now see, when you open the paper these days, there will be regarding narcotic drugs. So they may try to ask you what is narcotic drugs. So you must explain to them because there is a lot of anxiety, excitement to know the age is such. They want answer for everything. This age is totally different. So here you have to guide them, and that lies with the teachers as well as the parents. And you have to make them understand. You have to take them into the confidence. Then only they will realize. So this is also the responsibility